someone here. How you doing? Here's our Ogbonna soup from the last time, and I want to make a lunch for my babies and I. So Richard and Aria plus me. So I want to make lunch. We're having swallow this afternoon. Swallow, yeah. Swallow. Back to my fridge. I don't want to have any issues. I don't want to have any issues of just removing the soup from the pot. I just put the pot and the cover to the fridge like that. Yeah. So this is what we're gonna be having. We're having potato. What do you want? You want carrot? You want carrot? I don't want carrot. 1 minute. Trash.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be having this. We're gonna be having this potato. Potato puree. It's a puree that you can make into puree at the moment. What do you want? Why do you want to break it? You want to break it for what? Why do you want to break it? Why do you want to break the carrot? For who? For who? For who? No, she want to break her carrots into two so she can give to Richard. Hi, Mama. Here. Here. Take this one. No, that is for you. Take this one to Richard. Take one to Richard. And don't stress me again. Okay, so our water is currently boiling or cooking. Yeah, we're boiling water on the other side in my boiler while the soup is getting ready. Cooking. So here it is. We have potato in here. And our boiled water. This is how I make my potato. normally this potato is ready. It's ready, but I like mine to have a little bit of starch. So I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for a few minutes. Because our soup is ready. Soup is very much. Look at that. It's delicious. So, potato is also ready. Very hot. Ooh. Do you see the starch now? Look at that starch. It's starchy. So if I want to make it just normal puree, I just only have to make milk, put for my hot water, then add milk to it, and it's ready. Yeah, just before I pop it in the microwave. So now I pop it in the microwave just for this extra starch. Now it's very starchy, and you can hold together, you can mold it together now because it's starchy. Because I've cooked it for a little while. Ooh, that is ready. Okay. Now you know why this plate is with water? Look at why it's with water now. See? You can roll it together. Look at that. Can you see it? You do. I know you do. I know you do. Let's go and eat. Let's go and eat. Let's go and eat. We are hungry now. Hungry babies. Let's go. I said.